All right, welcome back to the channel. Mike's awkwardly standing over there, not in the shot, but we have Dylan in today with his E9X. This is gonna be your new drift car? New seat time car?
New seat time car, we'll call it.
We're doing a full refresh, every link, front and rear. We're also gonna be doing some coilovers, and what do you actually call these things again? A little angle adapter. We're gonna see if we can use our tie rods with this end while using the knuckle block. I think we'll be able to. If not, we'll use whatever one this is. All right, we're gonna start with our sick new toolkit. This has all of the pieces you'll need to adjust all of our different toe links. They come in different sizes. You get a little Allen key with each of them to adjust the lockouts. Yeah, it's a pretty nice kit. We like it. Pretty impressed with it.
There's a lot of links in these cars, so it's hard to get a full-size wrench up there and turn things. We have a little mini wrench like that. You can adjust it quickly and easily and not like hate yourself.
We have standard toe links in the rear. Our guides, these are non-adjustable because they don't need to be. I know Dylan's used to E46 where there's 2.5 links in the back, but we have a lot of links now and a lot of adjustability. You're only allowed to adjust what you actually need to adjust. Forks, pretty self-explanatory. They're forks, non-adjustable. And then we have dampers. I didn't put a zip tie on that, so now I'm making a mess. You're keeping stock rear lower control arms, the non-M's. So we got specific lockouts for the non-M versus M. Like I said, the front toe links, these are our new Rev 2s. They got very fancy lock nuts. They seal with the tie rod, so that way it is physically impossible for dirt and debris to get in there. Since he owns a drift car, he'll be changing alignments a lot. You want to actually be able to change the alignment after you install parts. This has some anti-seize on it, and it's 100% protected from the elements. You can even go as far as putting a boot on the end. Lower control arm, pretty standard. This one is double adjustable. You can adjust it from here. Pretty standard practice. And front tension link, guide links, they got a bunch of different names. This is what you use to adjust caster. Pretty easy. It's got a nice knurling on it, so you can just grab it with your hand. And we also have the flats to be able to use our tools. You are the Silvers man, so I'm going to let you explain Silvers.
That's my neck of the woods. So these are the Silvers coilovers we're going to be installing. I have those on my E46, and they're on the ZHP actually that you guys have.
Yeah, they work well still.
We did true rears in this, so we're going to install these rear shock mounts from Rev Shift as well. That's pretty much it. Adjustable sway bar links too. I think we'll need those.
I think we're going to throw those in the trash and use our sway bar links.
Oh, they have some. I didn't know that. So. This is all new to me.
It's a nice Saturday
It's
morning.
new to me too.
I mean, there's a lot of links in the E92 world.
I'm still new to the E9X.
You guys are the E46. I'm in an E46 sandwich right now.
E46
I'm just like
trailer suspension.
Yeah, E46 squat, it goes burr and it goes forward.
Yeah,
that's it. 5 links. The future. Everything after 1985. You guys have
suspensions designed in the 80s?
Yeah.
totally.
Probably 36 came out like 92.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Plan is we're gonna just jack this thing up. We're all gonna stand on a corner and we're gonna try to rip everything off as fast as humanly possible. So let's get to it.
Easy peasy. You want a real impact, Mike? Probably never been off, huh?
No. I don't think that one's going. Something just makes me think it's not moving.
Your shocks are totally blown out.
No. Update. So we got everything out so far, except for the fork and the lower control arm, but we're keeping those in just to hold the suspension as is. He's got the Silvers. We're gonna put the coilover in first, and then we're going to do the arms. We'll show you how to easily set up the arms for the most, so your alignment guy doesn't hate you. How slammed you want it slammed?
I just don't know. Like in my mind, I can look at E46 and be like, oh, that's really low. That fit in there?
So we lied before. The rev shift ones were E46 upper mounts, so we're back to using the AKGs.
It's all Mike's fault. Yeah, you're pretty good at handling that shaft, Chris.
Yeah, you know me.
Look at this situation we got going on right now, Kendra.
I got a nice hip thrust into this one. Full lockout. Good. Am I good?
This is one of those things where it's like, probably have to, I'm gonna go home and be like adjusting all the suspension, making everything level.
Yeah.
I don't want to spend 4 hours here making the car look sick nasty.
My hip thrust so strong, it just opened that door.
Charlie, it's Mike.
It totally does.
Finger blast in this hole.
Oh yeah, give it a nice hip thrust in there. Really get in there.
Slide it in. That's the classic single chip hose. Are these shocks totally awesome?
Dude, they're sick.
Oh my god.
That's why this thing had so much grip, dude.
Oh yeah,
Okay, these go on the side.
Oh my god, that was
that one?
bad.
I don't, you guys, I'm getting kind of tired of this. Now you're picking on the shocks? Yeah. I told you I had to set up for grip, bro. All the compression was out and all the rebound was all the way stiff. Those are two ways.
That's true.
You
People
go
pay
two
big
ways.
dollars for 2 grays.
Those go two ways, bro.
Yeah, up and down.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, it's time to do the exciting parts. These are the guides, so we're replacing them with these non-adjustable guide links that we have. These are the cambers, they're slightly longer. These ones will actually have the adjustment. Put in the eccentric nuts, so you don't use those to do camber and toe anymore. And the last one is just the toe link. If you're doing this at home, right, I don't preset these. When I ship these to you, you just get what you get. Depends on how far I felt like threading these in at that moment in my life. So what we always recommend, you should do an alignment. In order to like make your car drivable to your alignment shop, you take 2 bolts, put one in one side, and as you can see, this bolt would not go in the other side. The arm is too short right now. So you can just spin until...
So you pretty much just want to match the lengths of the existing arms.
Yeah.
Whatever you took off, you want them to match.
It will help you get closer to your basic alignment settings so that you can drive to an alignment shop. Obviously with the eccentric nuts coming out, it is much harder, but this will do 90% of the work. Your alignment guy will also hate you less because both sides will be even. These are all non-adjustable, so as long as nothing's bent in your car, doing this will get you at least centered back in your chassis. You might have way too much toe or way too much camber, but that's what you're doing alignment for. So this is a good place to start. We're gonna do this for the camber links and the toe links, and then we'll throw everything in the car.
Finesse this thing in here. Ooh, that's tight.
Sure. All right, fork one. This is actually the easiest one, which is why I save it for last, because you can just manhandle the whole knuckle. The other one's kind of like with the rod ends and stuff, it's harder to get to. So for these ones, you just slip that in. And this one's not gonna like, okay, well, I just, call me a liar.
Look at this. Whoa.
And we're done. Yep, you're good.
Welcome to Dylan's rear end review. I'm done using Dylan's rear end. I'll give you a little review on it.
What's this rear end review? What's that wing stop?
It's got links in it. It looks like clean now.
Well, other than all the salt, thank you, Michigan.
Yeah, but like it looks professional.
It does.
All right, this is Dylan's rear end review. We got all the links in there. We got the coilovers in there. I already scratched it, so that's not great.
Did you scratch?
Your coilover body.
No.
I know. So the nice thing about all the rod ends is you can just torque these down instantly. It doesn't matter what position the suspension's in because the rod end is the part that's moving. We're gonna do the final torque on the lower control arm once it's on the alignment lift. You want these bushings in like the ride height position, torquing them down so that way it doesn't twist the bushing. Because right now we're in full droop. But yeah, pretty exciting. Pretty quick install. It's only been a few hours. We've done mostly slacking.
First, Chris talks about my rear end review, and then he talks about my rod end. So
And then he shits his pants.
Whoa, and then he shits his pants. So this is how it looks.
Yeah, now Mitch is here for the hard work, for the alignment.
Okay, yeah, let me tie this up real quick. Good work, guys.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, you can go home. Customers on their way.
Look, he got sweating down for this. He knew it was up.
Well, I'm glad
He's
he
probably
at least
filming
wore
today.
seems legit. We didn't wear any seems legit. Look at all those twos.
Watch out,
Look at the
Charlie.
stripper twos.
Might eat them.
No, Bill.
You gotta ask
night,
Mitch.
dude. I'm gonna do side bets too this time, I think.
Hell yeah, I'm down.
Like,
I got a
make
stack
a-
of twos.
Make a bet on if Chris gets to play poker or if he's stuck working on this.
I mean, what the hell's going on?
I mean, we just did the whole rear end, all of every link.
Hey, I want to hear your rear end review.
Now they go to
Yeah,
the
what's
front.
your rear end review? He's got a nice rear end.
I think it was nice and tight, and I would like to ride it again.
All right, so we couldn't run the front tension link because of the like mini angle kit, how it attached to the bottom of the knuckle. It just didn't work with the hardware sizing we had. So unfortunately we had to keep the stock tension link. Really, this is just for caster. It's not a huge thing. There's other ways we can adjust caster in the car to get him what he needs. We were able to use our toe links, so we're really excited about that. They fit on the stock hardware rod ends, so
Much bigger.
that was just a win-win. But yeah, ours are way beefier, obviously.
This is, yeah, look at that. So,
It's just longevity and durability. It's what you want when you're bumping and grinding. Lower control arms fit sweet. We got everything just measured with a caliper side to side to be even. Tires look pretty straight, honestly. Do you want to put a steering wheel lock on it at all? Or no, because you're just going to do ride height once or twice, right?
Yeah, I think I can see a bit of toe out.
It's hard to trust the...
By
This side definitely has toe out. How much toe out do you want?
quarter.
We've made it. Everyone's playing poker. This 2-hour job, it's approximately 9 o'clock, so it only took us 9 hours.
Chris had a losing hand, so he had to help me with the car.
We got all the links in, everything's good. We just did an eyeball alignment for right now. It's pretty late. He's got to dial in ride height and stuff. The tires, wheels are not obviously the package he's going to be running, so we're not going to waste a bunch of time and energy aligning it when we just have to change it anyway. Everything is pretty crisp down here. It looks good. I'm very happy with everything. Everything's nice and torque tight. The overview, we made the front toe links work. We have the lower control arms. Tension links we didn't run just because of the angle kit that he's running. Didn't work. In the back, we have forks, cambers, guides, and toes. It's a whole plethora of stuff, but it looks really clean in here. We're really happy with the install. Everything went together very smooth after we busted some bolts free. Little PB blaster never killed anyone.
It smells really good, too.
All right, well, we're gonna end this video here then, because now my pizza's here and I'm gonna go eat and pick up.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you, Dylan.
Thank you, Kendra. And
Yeah, go Kendra.
Thank
Go
you,
team.
Mike.
All right, let's go move Zach's C8. Let's do some fucking piss reps. All right, we're done.
Nice. I got just in time for pizza. Okay. You got Lambo doors?
No, I don't.
These doors are fucking huge.
It's pretty snazzy.
I don't know how
I really like it.
The roof
Oh, look at this carbon fiber in it.
is carbon fiber. Those are fake shit.
I mean, I
We didn't even know yet.
No, that's fake shit.
Yeah, that's fake shit.